our 3-glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 71 inches, a depth of 21.5 inches, and the overall height of 79.5 inches tall. Height applies with wheels. Included will be 4 long shelves and 4 smaller shelves. The long and small shelves can be positioned either to the right or left side of the refrigerator. And the measurement for each long shelf will include 15 inches in depth by 45 inches in length. Depth and length applies to each of the 4 long shelves. And for the 4 smaller shelves, measurements will include also 15 inches in depth by 21.25 inches in length. Depth and length applies for each of the 4 small shelves. Shelves can be adjusted to the preferred height of preference. Included will be LED lights located on the left and right column. And the interior height will include 46 inches tall. 46 inches from the bottom floor to the top of the fan. Included will be locks and keys for the center and right door. Coming to the top will be the header for your logo and banner. Coming to the top left is the power switch for the refrigerator. And located in the bottom is our temperature control with the indicator, along with a separate button for light. Coming to the back of the refrigerator is the ETL certification. And this refrigerator will run on 110, 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.